Hello guys, before we are presentation, we want like to introduce ourselves. We are from group number. My name is Lino.
My name is Yola. My name is Larissa.
For our in this project, we will present you how to make burger iced tea. Can you show us which one is burger bun? Yeah?
Burger bun,
Yeah?
cheese, onion, egg, mayonnaise, sweet sauce, and smoky. And the ingredient for make the iced tea is tea, hot water, and sugar, and water.
The tools we need are knife, lead, spoon, and cup. To make a burger, first we need break the egg and the smoothie. After that, we slice the burger bun into After that, we put the smoothie inside the burger bun. Then, put the mayonnaise. Put the sweet sauce. Put the onion. Put the egg. Put the butter.
Go!
Put the cheese. To make iced tea, we will have put the tea and the sugar inside the cup. Put the hot water inside the cup. Stir well. Stir.
What is that? What is that?
And don't forget to add ice cream. The burger and iced tea already served.
That's all?